Happy Thursday, everybody. Little Thursday walk and talk. First Funkenstein, built by Dwayne Ballard. But my friend David owns it now. This is a motorcycle named Ethel. So now we're just walking through. This black bike is going to South Carolina, North Carolina. I forget, I have to look for Brendan. Let's start her up, shall we? It's been a while. Watch, it doesn't start. This one I repaired from an accident. I built this like 4 years ago, I think. Luckily he didn't get hurt too bad, but the bike took a good beating. This is the 750 I'm working on. I'm excited to finish this. I did the single backbone so I can run a real narrow tank, as opposed to this beast. Yeah, a little bit of a difference. So that's about it for now. That's the main thing on the list now. That 750. I think it's gonna come out killer. All right, everybody, take care.